Hello everyone, this is V Buzzing with V. Well, today is day 7 of my 12 days of Christmas, and this is a feature with In Love Art Shop. I'm using this Christmas tree die, and I decided to go with some glittered cardstock instead of red. This is what it looks like, and so I was fiddling with it earlier trying to figure out how I was going to make this. So here's my glittered cardstock. I picked this up from Hobby Lobby, and you do also need to cut out some triangles on your own. So what I did is I just made a template with the die. So I did cut out a die in a different color and then just cut the squares along the dotted line. And I'm using this Tim Holtz little deer fawn. Such a cute little piece. I love it. I'm also using some, believe it or not, that's pom-poms from the Dollar Tree that I took apart. You could also use a cotton ball. Okay, so I did bring out one of my score tools and I did score the lines there. There's already score lines there. However, since I am using a thick glittered cardstock, I wanted to make sure that those score lines were going to fold properly. And so what I do now is grab a ruler and fold all the edges up. After gluing down the lining of the tree, I show you where I'm going to punch a hole. Keep in mind that you will also need to punch a hole for the outer lining, which I failed to do, and you'll see me fix that later. I'm using some hot glue here because I'm going to punch some holes, and considering that this area here is very delicate, I did not want anything to rip. So this is just a little tip that I do with whenever I don't want paper to rip on me, is to add a very thin layer of hot glue, and then I punch the hole out. The fawn looks so cute, doesn't it? Here I'm just going to finish off the outer lining of the tree. I'm adding the lining here. I did add some stitching to that lining. You could add faux stitching or some inks for shadowing, however you'd like. I prefer stitching with the machine, so I did that, adding it with some hot glue to adhere all the pieces together. And also be careful with pattern paper. That one square was upside down, which was, I was okay with it because it is the back of the tree. But I think this little project is such a sweet little project to gift when doing a swap or giveaway. I think this little thing is it's just a cute little treat for the recipient to open and find a little fawn there. And I was going to add some glitter in the inside as well, which I may do that off camera. If you make one of these shadow box trees, just keep in mind of the lining. You know, that is extra. The lining doesn't come with a die. You have to cut the lining yourself. Just keep in mind if you're making a hole for the seam binding that you know where the holes are going to be at, and have them punch out prior to gluing. So right here I'm showing you, hey, I forgot to add a hole there. So I do get out this tool that I picked up from Amazon. This tool is initially used for journaling. Okay, so I am using this tool to create a hole, and reason being is because I did glue that shut prior to making the hole with my hole puncher. So I'm also using my score tool to push in the excess paper that came out from piercing that hole. Here's the seam binding I use. It's from my scrap cabin shop on Etsy. So now I'm going to feed through the seam binding through the holes. I'm using this wire here. This is, I believe it's wire, leftover wire from wire ribbon, because I do take out the wire from the ribbon. So look how cute it is. Such a cute little tree you could make in different colors. I'm using some puffy stickers since this tree is very tiny, and puffy stickers is ideal for it. So I'm deciding what to use. I did want to use the snowman there, but the snowman was a little too big, and so I decided to go with the house and a sticker sentiment from one of the cardstock stickers that the collection came with. So I am using the Feeling Frosty collection from Simple Stories, which I picked up from KG Crafts. I will have all the links below, as well as In Love Art Shop, along with a discount. Christmas in July comes so fast. It's like before you know it, it's here, and it's good to pick up all of that stuff now, because you don't want to be left out, as Christmas items are not sold during that time. So just buy all of your stuff if you're gonna do that. I do also use the eyelash trim from Hobby Lobby, which I absolutely love for Christmas. It's one of those staples for me because of all the glitz on it and the shininess and colors. I love it. So there, it's looking very cute. I'm liking how it comes out. It's just so sweet. I love little projects like this that are very sweet, and the fact that you can make it into a shadow box. I was initially going to put a little jar in there. You know those little jars that you buy from Dollar Tree? I was going to fill it with some snow and something else. But I decided to go with this little fawn. I think it's so cute. So now time to open it. Just showing you how it looks. I'm going to open it up. It does take a little while to do that. Just take your time. Good thing you have that glue around the circles, because this thing will not tear. So that's what it looks like. Such a sweet little gift. Well, you guys, this concludes the video. Day 7 of my 12 days of Christmas with Holly Jolly V. So I'm going to push through this and finish what I started, and I will be here until the last seconds. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. I will see you tomorrow for another video. Let's see what I come up with. Bye.